Hello families, how are you all doing today? I'm back again with another wonderful video. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe to this channel and click the notification button in case so that you can be notified when I post new videos. Today I will be talking about lime, TomTom, and honey. These three powerful ingredients are very, very good. I want to ask you all a question. Have you ever been in a situation whereby you're coughing and you take a cough medication and it seems as if the cough medication is not working? Please just grab these three things and do what I'm about to do right now, because it's gonna be a miracle. What you've been trying to stop for a long time is going to help. And the main reason why I'm coming up with this video again is because I saw a lady at a bank and she was coughing so hard. She was coughing like choking. The cap on her head fell off and her eyes was red. Like everybody, our attention was drawn to her. That was how bad the cough was. I was like, how can I tell this lady what to take now? And this motivated me to say, let me make this video so that people out there that are suffering from chronic cough, this remedy, home remedy, can help. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this lime, and you all know that lime is very good at stopping secretion. Sometimes when you're coughing, it's as a result of too much secretion in your throat. So when you press this lime and you squeeze it like this, you squeeze it, and you take one TomTom, you open it up, open up the TomTom. This TomTom is very good. We all know this TomTom, very good because it has mint in it. It's very good. This is what we use to cure cough in my country. People from Africa, we know this TomTom is very, very, very good. It has mint in it and it's good for cough. So you open it up like this and put one of it, put everything inside. And then you take your honey. This is organic honey, raw honey from Costco. Very good, my brothers and my sisters. It has antioxidants. It has a good stuff that we need to stop cough. So I'm going to take 1 spoon of this honey. One spoon like this, 1 teaspoon, and you put it inside. Okay, and now I'm going to take my hot water. I am going to use hot water because I want the TomTom to melt. I want to melt this TomTom there. Okay, so I'm going to put my hot water in there like that. I'm going to put my hot water in there like that. It's going to melt up the TomTom, and then you're good to go. Let it cool off for some minutes and then you can take it. Very good. I use it myself for my children when I feel they are coughing so hard. This is the remedy for me, because sometimes when they are coughing so hard, they find it difficult to sleep. It helps stops every secretion, and this does not have sedative substance in it. You can drink it in the morning, you can drink it in the night. It helps stop your cough. And also, when you do this, you allow it to cool off and you drink it. Then now, another thing that will help prevent the cough from coming back, you need to brush. Please, it is always very good we keep a very good routine of a good dental routine. We brush our mouth regularly, at least if not 3 times a day, we should try to brush at least twice a day. So you brush your mouth in the morning and you brush your mouth in the evening to take out those excess secretion. And with the help of this wonderful home remedy, lime, TomTom, and honey, this one, those stubborn cough is going to take it out. So please, let's try this at home. Let's try this at home. Your child or your elderly ones, anybody having stubborn cough, please give it to them. This will help. And this TomTom here has a very mint sensation. It makes it hot and is very good for you at any time. So my brothers and my sisters, thank you for watching this video, and I know that this video you find it helpful. Please like